Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're well and safe and happy. Good morning, it's Sunday. Here's my chicken breast. I slice it small and I add a little bit of curry, any curry of your choice. And then you add lemon pepper, garlic herbs, and any herbs you feel you will need it in there. Okay, and then here's a bit of lard, and I'm gonna fry my chicken breast. And I'll add some veggies. We're gonna eat healthy today. Yeah, gonna melt some fat, the lard, and fry the chicken. Okay. I'm gonna add a chicken in there and start frying it. Because it's very dry, it's chicken breast. Chicken breast is very dry, so that's why I fry it instead of lard. I don't like using oil. So let's fry it up, guys. Guys, as this fry slowly, I'm gonna add a couple of drops of mushroom soy sauce, flavoring it up. Pull the camera down and start stirring it. And as soon as it's half cooked, I'm gonna turn it off and do the vegetable because chicken breast is horrible when it's dry. Onion, guys. Stir it in and then add garlic. Guys, see the natural juice come out of the chicken breast. Yeah, we've got ginger and garlic there. Onions already fried. And stir it in and fry a little bit and then turn it off and start cooking our vegetable. I'm going to cook the vegetables separate because I don't want to overcook our chicken breast. Okay. Guys, I've got one mullet here. I've got clean it, cut it in half. And I'm going to add a bit of garlic in there. Slice of garlic. Just to cook a fish with. Ginger. I'm going to add it all in there, what I'm going to add. And put it together. Put the camera down and put it together. Lemons. I've already got salt. Just going to quickly cook this in the oven. I'll put it together and then show you. Guys, here's our fish. Bit of lard on there. Lots of lemon, the whole lemon. Ginger, garlic, herbs, garlic herbs, and lemon lime, salt. Guys, I'm turning it back on. I just add a little bit more soy sauce, bit of salt. Before it heats up, I'm gonna add our celery. Just stir that in. Celery stirred in. The stove's on. Here's our cabbage, our round cabbage. Gonna add some of that in there. And then stir it up. I'm cooking our carrot in the microwave. Guys, you stir it in and put a lid on and let it cook our veggies. That's why I say I half cooked the chicken. Then put the veggies in. This is very easy veggie to cook. Okay, put a lid on it. 5 minutes, turn it off. 5 minutes, let the carrot in, stir and turn it off. Here's guys, here's our food. Here's our carrot. You cook with butter. And just stir it in. And I'm gonna add some herbs after. Guys, spring onion and parsley. Stir it in and turn it off. We're done, guys. It's off. And it's gonna say heat up until we eat it. Guys, fish is cooked beautifully. The Gingers in there. Oh, yeah, I'll simmer it. Lemony, pepper, herbs, and everything. Everything you do. Mm.